Okay, so rectangular tank again. Someone's given us a figure. They want to hold 2,600 litres in a tank. The depth of the tank is 1.4 metres. The width of the tank is 1.2 metres, and we need to determine the height. So we know that a cubic metre is made up by the depth, by the width, by the height in metres, if we load them all in as metres. And a cubic metre holds 1,000 litres. So what we need to do is to convert this figure of 2,600 litres back to metres cubed, which means we divide it by 1,000 litres. So 2,600 divided by 1,000 equals 2.6 metres cubed. So we've got 2.6 metres cubed. It is comprised of the depth in metres times the width in metres times the height. What we are missing is the height, and that's what we're trying to determine. So we want the height on one side of the equal sign, and we want everything else over to the other side of the equal sign. So our depth here is 1.4 metres, and our width is 1.2 metres. Put the metre symbol in there. So we need to get these two figures across to the other side and leave the height on one side and everything else on the other side of the screen, of the other side of the equal sign. So these figures here are multiplying on this side. We've got the depth times the width. When we shift a multiplying factor to the other side of an equal sign, we divide it by itself. So what we're going to do over this side, we're going to have 1.4 metres times 1.2 metres. I'll write that out again. So we've got 2.6 metres cubed, divided by 1.4 times 1.2. On the other side of the equal sign, we have the height, which is in metres. So if we take our calculator, and we've got 2.6 divided by 1.4. You can push the equal sign there if you want. Let's do it for that sake. And then divide it by the 1.2 again. And what it leaves us with for the height is 1.548 metres. So the height of this tank would be 1.548 metres. So I've transposed the formula in this area here to identify the height on one side and get everything else back over to the other side. So a wee bit of transposition of formula, but that's how you would work out a tank that's giving you the literage, convert it back to cubic metres, divide it by the width, divide it by the depth, that will give you the height. Leave it there, thank you.